Hey, what's up everybody? This is John Huser from Heretix, the Heriziark, and I just felt like making a video just to play with my camera equipment and stuff. I was just jamming this little rhythm back and forth and figuring out the BPMs that I was setting it for, and just jam it out. I just was jamming this. I don't know, I've been jamming this for years, but I never made anything with it, so I'm hoping I can make something with it. And I'm just going to jam out the parts right here and then build on from there. Oh, man. Let me see. I kind of forgot what I was doing there for a second. Got distracted with the whole back and forth on here. Let's try it again. And then I'll pick up this recording later. Gonna work on doing some like distortion type stuff and see how does this sound. So I kind of feel like they're doing too much of the same shit. It's like, we heard it clean a couple times, let's go dirty. So I was thinking maybe doing something different. Kind of making shit up right now, so it doesn't sound cool or whatever, but we'll get there. I was thinking about editing this part out. I can edit this shit out and then jump cut and stuff. Yeah. Let me see. No, that's not cool. start recording on this track and see how this goes. Alright. Oh! Need to get a better count in than that. Damn. Rushing me and shit. Alright. Record. Count in 1 bar. I'll go for 2 bars. Just so easy to kind of reminds me of Tool. I hope I'm not like ripping off a Tool song. I don't know why it sounds like it to me though. But whatever. We'll figure it out later. I never learned Tool songs because they're fucking complicated shit. Or maybe they're not. I just they just sound like they are. But I don't know. Pretty amazing. But what I'm doing, it just feels like a natural progression within the scale that I'm in. So. Figure out the. Oh, you know what? This sounds like a song I wrote a long ass time ago. Once you ever like write stuff and then you end up forgetting it, and then you're like, oh, it sounds familiar. Let's see how sounds like it's about right. So I'll go back and I'll re-record this again. Because that's right, I'm going to be cutting out, so it's not like I need to. Oh! A little early. So. I think it's because I don't have. Let me add a little drummer region count in for that part. Just like some hi-hat, that's it. Feels like that helped out a little bit. Alright, here we go. Here we go now. Scale it back, and maybe the ring out might be cool for building the song. Yeah, I'm starting to remember this riff. Wrote it back in the day. It was the original version of Dark Light of the Witching Hour, but it kind of morphed into something else when I sent files to a friend of mine, Dale, and he did his magic and sent it back to me, and it kind of evolved into something else, which is, I don't know, it was still a great song. I guess had a different version of it, maybe one that I could put lyrics to, because he did an amazing job with all his guitar soloing and stuff. There, at the end, there was like 3 guitars dueling each other. Not really dueling, but they're soloing with each other. So I thought that was pretty nice, man. He's a real talented guy. I'm thinking I'm playing this riff wrong. I think it might be it jumps better to that chord instead of going to that chord from playing it. Alright, so I'm going to re-record that. A lot of times, I'm making videos, I feel like I need to fill it with constant content and keep everybody entertained, but kind of letting you see my making the music, making a song, like the progress of it. Let me delete what I just did earlier because it was too deep. Do it higher. This isn't normally the way I make songs. What I'll normally do is I'll play something perfect as what I can, and I do it in small clips, and then I bring all the clips together to make it, because trying to play the song perfectly all the way through, I don't know, maybe some of the awesome musicians can do that, but I want to make sure I don't fuck it up. So yeah, so let's see, we'll try to get that again with like the higher register of the notes. Oh, see, that's what I'm saying. Even recording the small bits, you end up fucking it up and got to do it again. So here we go. I think I can shorten the count in. Although it is nice to sneak a drag of a cigarette here and there. Alright, here we go. Let's see how this goes. So when I record, just letting it ring out. Anyways, I guess I'll end that recording. I don't know what else to say or do. Except for thanks for listening, and hopefully you'll hear this song come out soon. Thanks. Bye.